Hey, what's going on? This is Sarah Lee Day and you're watching Dubsado Tidbits, the things you need to know about Dubsado delivered in bite-sized pieces. Lately, we've been talking about the different building blocks that are available to help you create your forms, and today we're going to focus on some more of those special builder blocks that are available only in questionnaires, proposals, and lead capture forms. Now to look at this, I'm going to go back into this sample questionnaire. And we're going to be taking a look at the code block, file uploader, and project tracking building blocks. Now, in a previous episode, we saw this element right here, and this is a code block being used to embed a video into the questionnaire. There are lots of different ways that you can use the code block if you know HTML coding, and that's a little bit more advanced than what we're going to be covering in this video series, but it is something that is available, and there are resources out there that can help you build that out for yourself, or you can DIY it if you are familiar with that kind of information and how to get that in there. But this is a really cool feature that is available for your questionnaires, your proposals, and your lead capture forms if you know how to do HTML coding. Next, we're going to look at the file uploader. So it's not already in here, but I'm going to click and drag it over here as an example. And what this does is it gives your clients or your customers the ability to actually upload files to you directly into whatever form it is that they're completing, as long as it's a questionnaire, proposal, or lead capture. And that could be a Word document, a PDF, Excel spreadsheet, an image file. There's lots of different types of information that you can collect with this file uploader, and all of that information will be contained within that one form that the client filled out, and you can access that directly in their project. And then finally we have project tracking. Now, project tracking, if you remember in a previous episode, we have the ability to set up different marketing sources or places that people are finding us online. And with this project tracker question, we can then put that information directly into this form and have them select whether it was Google, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. And when they make one of these selections, this will automatically pull that information into the reporting that we saw for the different project tracking, and that will help us keep track of where are people coming from, where are my marketing efforts most effective. Lots of really useful information when you add that project tracking question to any of your forms, especially on the front end, like a lead capture form. So those are the three special types of building blocks that are only available in questionnaires, proposals, and lead capture forms. All right, and that's it for today's tidbit. For more information about receiving updates, requesting future episodes, or getting help with your own Dubsado account, take a look at the links in the description below this video or visit sarahleeday.com. Thanks again for watching. Have a good one.